comes the man, hot damn.
What's up, this is Jam, back with another beginner house dance tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do the chase. Now the chase is a fairly simple step, and it really requires the twisting of your body. So this is a really, really good step to start learning how to rotate your body in house. All right, so how we start this is we're gonna step forward first, okay? So we're gonna step forward and we're gonna turn our body to the side. Turn, okay? Now as I do this, what I'm doing with the back leg is I'm kind of doing this heel turn, right? This helps me open up. So if I'm standing forward and I step forward, I'm gonna turn here, yeah? So if I go to the side, here, so you can see this foot, turn like that, okay? So I'm gonna step, now I'm gonna now twist my body back the other way. I'm gonna go contra body, and this step is gonna go in front, okay? So now I'm ending up with my feet crossed. And this prepares me to do it on the other side, okay? So now I'm gonna take this step, I'm gonna go step forward and step back, okay? So you're doing two steps on the same foot. Step, 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 okay? Now adding the jack in that, we're gonna have a forward jack with this step, right? So I'm gonna lift up, so as I'm going into it, I'm going to prep myself. As I take this first step, boom, that's where the jack is, yeah? Jack and jack. Okay, so I'm going jack forward on one step, jack on the other step. Now as I come back in to the other side, I'm gonna lift up to go jack, jack, jack. So now I have this groove. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, just like that.
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
Now if you want more training with the chase or any of the other foundation, I have a brand new class that I put out in my membership here on YouTube where I take you through a progression through all the basics of house. If you want to check that out, you can click that join button below. And if you like this video, feel free to hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.